Easy guys, we're down Reigate today at the deep shelter that seems to be sort of doing the rounds. Come across a couple of other sort of groups down here already. I'll take you just for a sort of quick look around, sort of show you some of the parts around here. It's quite a nice one, reminds me of sort of Marine Steep, the top half of it anyway. I'll take you for a little wander around. So a lot of the electrical conduit that's actually still in here. Of course it has fallen down from the supports that were up at the top. Locked off. Some of the bits, as you can see, still got the original light shade on it. So there is a lot of the electrical conduit still down here, a lot of the terminal boxes. And as I say, down there, we'll head up this way. Maybe come down that way in a sec. Without putting down the out stuff. As you can see, originally it would have been had wood, things going all the way along. Now you're going to have like an inside part to it, which is used. Mainly ducts and off. Now sort of throughout here, they seem to do the ducting differently, depending on what sort of section it is. Alright, so they run it from one side to the other. They'd have the conduit, the ducting going into the floor, and it would be a gully that would run across to the adjacent tunnel.
Oh, blur out the graffiti.
They're all still sort of there to be able to divert it. Now, quite a long one. We're mainly going along the back tunnel at the moment. That runs sort of, I say, parallel to the sort of trip place that he runs in. Sort of curved, two sets of tunnels, and then multiple tunnels that come off the road joining them up. And then there's a few entrance tunnels, of course, that come off of the second tunnel, one over. That's the full length of the back tunnel. We'll take you down the other one, there's a lot more to sort of show you down there.
Every piece of ventilation has been knocked and seen.
Some of it ran off of the seam, and some of it ran down next to the tunnels. We'll catch all that on our way out. I suppose it makes sense to go down here and then we'll cut back.
That's the way you came in?
Yeah, that's the way we came in. So these are the connecting tunnels that we just in front of the other tunnel we're walking down. We've got all the different sizes ducting that ran through from side to side.
There's nothing but chalk behind them, though.
I'm pretty sure it is just carved from the soft chalk. And then on one of the electrical boxes, still fairly in situ. Valve down there. So this, I'm guessing, is one of the what would have been the entrance tunnels. As you can see, a lot of it went through the brick walls. And it ran all the way down. The original doors.
Yeah, looks like it. Is this the ventilation room?
What are the portholes people?
Oh.
Light fixture. Get the other up here. And a large kitchen box. Let you slide past.
See one there. Blocked backfield entrances.
Interesting how the roof slopes forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like it's just been looks like it's just been demolished and let drop.
I think you might actually be right there.
So I'm gonna stop standing underneath it.
Pump.
A bicycle pump.
Cheers, man. Big short doors, isn't they? I suppose you would have to move a hell of a lot of air through it all, wouldn't you? I think that this was actually a fan, that's bit here.
It's like a turbocharger.
Sort of thing. Speed it up.
It is as well, it's not on the ceiling.
And yeah, they built, for some of it, they built little brick walls.
And this is magazines. Are they found?
Newspapers. So we got February the 26th, 1944. Wow. That is fascinating.
Of course, at any point, if you fellas and people that are watching the videos want to have a pause of the video so you can actually sort of read some of the articles that are there, but a lot of it is legible.
Go through these ones slowly.
Yeah, we would ask that you don't take them.
Yes, no, leave them here for everyone else to find, for everyone else to see, and everyone else to enjoy.
Oh, there's some box.
guessing that was probably a filter box, wasn't it? That would probably have two massive filters that would have slid down in there and collected all the, filtered out all the dust and all the debris and all the crap.
So it looks like it. Those fans on the end.
This was sort of like a control room there. So they dealt with all the electrical, all the ventilation.
Fuse boxes.
You cleared out?
A lot of them.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Let's see where there's electrical vents. Let's see if I can get the torch down there.
Then that comes out, literally that goes down underneath there and then comes out of that bit. Tucked in there. Yeah. Just go straight through rather than having a pipe running through there. Doing the space. Right, so carry going down this one. So once again, you've still got the junction boxes. Stuck you back to the base.
Yeah, actually.
I'll tell you what I do quite like about these bits of ventilation is you can, well, you would have been able to open and close them more to have more control out of how much air comes in and comes out. Get a lot of conduit. That would have been fuses.
There's a lot.
Fuses and switches. That would be one of the main terminal blocks. Like I saw in the other room.
Apply ducting.
With a bit of a cabling on that side. Oh shoot, I'm guessing had a bench down. Yeah. I'll let you go past and have a look down there. It's the only thing that's actually got like a broke up into it.
So we'll just chop that. Just a brick wall. Can't go any further unfortunately.
Metal cover for something.
No light switches.
I'm guessing this may be another ventilation room. We'll have a filter on it as well.
Wonder what that is. And the mount maybe? Floor mount for that thing?
Quite possibly. Big enough to do.
Some kind of really old bit of things.
This would have been an original wooden door with the latch on it. This might have gone across here. Yeah, back both sides.
A very unusual beer can. Another one. Popular drinking spot.
And the reductor on that needs to go through the wall. I'll let you go past.
This will be one of the entrances that are long since backfilled and demolished. So yeah, it's very similar to the other one, but it's not been demolished, still stay at the same level. I imagine that there was the main entrance. Looks like these would have been blast walls. Now that side there looks like it's come down to the level. See the wall falling in a bit. More of the blast walls. Perhaps chemical toilet would have been down there.
Oh, possibly, yeah. It might have been a chemical toilet just outside that. Spider all road.
Spider.
And then what we're going to do from here, we're going to jump up to the far end of the last exit tunnel rather than walk back up, which you guys have just seen, and then we'll catch you up there, and then we'll sort of show you the other entrance tunnel. Alright, we've just caught you up at the other end by the final exit tunnel. There is a small area there. Once again, it may have been a ventilation room, but we'll take a walk down that tunnel. So of course, a nice tank. Can't go wrong with a nice tank down a deep chill. The other little room. I'm guessing it was like a ventilation room or a generator room. It's got to be something like that with the big blocks on the floor for it to support stuff. That's setting the ground. Actually setting the ground.
Some ceiling support.
You see it's starting to give above it.
Yeah. There's something sitting out with a big water tank maybe.
Guessing that one originally went.
Oh there, yeah.
That one.
After that door would have gone.
Some thickness. Let's have a look, see what that is. Hubcap for an old car. stuff in there. Awesome.
And you can see in this section, as it comes closer to the surface, it's been reinforced with concrete around the edge as well. And that's the way in and out. So, yeah, so that's the deep shelter at Reigate. I hope you sort of enjoyed it. I'll try and put a bit more history in the description than I've actually been able to give sort of walking around. I didn't do my research quite as well with this one. We was at another place, had a bit of time, thought we'd swing by. But I'll try and add some more in the description, and I hope you sort of guys enjoys the explore at least. Until next time, happy exploring.